In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect any MCP server to Claude Desktop. It comes down to editing one small config file, saving it, and restarting the app. Let's do it step by step. Here's the idea. An MCP server is a small program that gives Claude new abilities, like reading files or calling an API. Claude Desktop launches that server on your machine and can then use its tools right inside the chat. First, open Claude Desktop and go to Settings, then the Developer tab, and click Edit Config. That opens the config file that tells Claude which servers to run. If the file doesn't exist yet, this creates it for you. If you ever want to find it yourself, on Windows it lives under APPDATA in a Claude folder as Claude_desktop_config.json. On Mac it's in your library, under Application Support in the Claude folder. One heads up on Windows, if you installed from the Microsoft Store, that path is virtualized and servers can silently fail to load, so I'd grab the direct download from Anthropic instead. Now the important part. Inside an MCP server's object, you add an entry. The name on the left is whatever you want to call it. Command and args tell Claude how to launch the server, usually with npx. And the end block is where you put things like API keys. Swap in the real package name from the tool's own docs. 2 quick checks before you save. These local servers run through npx Node or Python, so make sure Node.js or Python is installed. And keep the file valid JSON, watch for stray commas or Claude won't start the server. Save the file, then completely quit Claude Desktop and reopen it. This part matters. Closing the window isn't enough. You have to fully quit so it reloads the config. When it comes back, look in the bottom of the input box for the tools indicator, sometimes called the hammer icon. Now it just works. I asked Claude to use its tools, and it calls the connected server and reads my folder right in the chat. If you click the tools indicator and see the server listed, you know it's live. One more thing worth knowing. Besides editing the JSON, Settings has an Extensions tab. Open Advanced Settings there and choose Install Extension to load an MCP bundle. Those bundle Node for you, which is handy. But heads up, they don't bundle Python, so a Python-based server still needs Python installed on your machine. If the tool doesn't appear, run down this list. 9 times out of 10 it's that you didn't fully restart. After that, check your JSON is valid and that Node or Python is installed. And on Windows, remember the Microsoft Store build can point at the wrong config file, so the direct download is the safer bet. So that's the whole flow. Open Edit Config, add your server under MCP servers, save and fully restart, then open the tools indicator to confirm. Once you've done it once, adding the next server takes about 30 seconds. If this helped, subscribe for more MCP tutorials where I connect Claude to real tools step by step. This one was made by the team at Remarketly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.